Good morning, Bastien Mahé here in San Juan del Sur visiting a house in the neighborhood called Maria Auxiliadora. It's like a 4 minute by car. It's 1.5 kilometers from San Juan del Sur. So we were at the entrance. It's like a patio, gated, and with a 3 stairs to come in. We get in the salon. We have the first space here. We're probably missing some couch, but still it's nice and clear. We get in the house. So here is the kitchen and area with dining room. On the side, access to the room, the bedrooms. So on the right, the kitchen, on the left, first bedroom. Queen's bed, cabinet, and bathroom. It's bright and it's clean. Very simple. It's a Nica house, but with old furniture on wood. Nice wood door. So it's a small kitchen. Big kitchen, but small work area and gas stove. Here we have 2 bedrooms, kids' rooms, another small queen bed, a bathroom in the middle. Access here to the 3rd room. So 3 bedrooms. This one has no mat, but could be equipped. Here we have access to the garden. So the garden is funny. You have this back room with a gate here. There is this old structured house. It will be used as a bodega, like inventory room. There is no need, the owner doesn't use it, so you can leave it like this or store things here. Motorbikes could be stored inside. You have a third an access here also from the garden. So the property is completely fenced. He has his own water tank. And it's nice. You have like fruit trees. So here is Nona. I don't know if you know these trees. Here you have like star fruits. We call it melocoton here in Nicaragua. Melocoton, normally it's apricots, but I love it with mixed with orange juice. It's delicious. On the back, a mango tree. There is one citrus also here. So it's a nice area for the someone who has like dogs. It's safe and yeah. So we are 2 blocks from the main street. So to take a taxi will be a 1 minute walk to be on the main street. So we are on the back street. It's a bit more quiet. I would say we don't have the car noise. It's a nice neighborhood. It's safe, no problem. There is some roosters here. Yeah, I like it. So nice house, clean area, clean house, paved road to go in. There is no inside parking, but for motorbikes, yes. So here there is a water room, I would say, for laundry. We could totally install on the back here a laundry machine. So it comes how it is. Kitchen, there is some plate, forks, knife is included in the rent. The rent includes also internet. So we will list the price at $450 per month, including internet and the rent. Water and power are extra. So the water bill could be about $4 per month, $5 per month. The power could be $20 per month.